Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language on investing. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the investing app. After that you have to click on the more, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then at the top of the screen right now you can see that uh, flag, the American flag, so which means that right now the language of that is English. But then you can choose from this list, and if you let's say that French, and if you click on that, then after that you can see that right now the language of the app is in French. So yeah, it's really easy and it's really helpful, and I hope this video was helpful for you as well. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.